Hi, I'm Charlie and I'm going to be answering a few questions about my favourite topic other than wine, food.
Right, so let's start with what 3 ingredients do you always have in your fridge at home?
Good question, Dave. So my fridge, I've got a lot of wine in there, but food ingredients. So I love pickled stuff. I make my own pickles. I also make my own kimchi. So I've always got kimchi in the fridge that I'll put in sandwiches, burgers, have it with rice. Love kimchi. Also Kewpie mayonnaise. So that's Japanese mayonnaise that again I'll put with the kimchi on anything. And then the third thing I really like, again pickles, probably pickled cucumbers are pickles, dill pickles that I make that I'll chuck in anything. Pickled jalapenos, I just like pickled stuff. But you know, you can always just add it to a salad and spice things up. So yeah, those 3.
So following on from that, Charlie, what's your favourite dish to cook at home?
So I love spaghetti vongole, fresh as you like clams. It's so simple, you know, nice spaghetti, olive oil, lots of olive oil, parsley, wine. Yeah, you know, it's so easy to do. I did it for a dinner party the other week and everyone just loves it. Everyone who doesn't like spaghetti vongole, but quite hard to absolutely get right. So I've cooked it so many times. I feel like I'm there, but I feel like I can make the perfect spaghetti vongole.
Right, Charlie, what is your go-to order at the seafood restaurant?
So I'd start with, pre-starters, appetizers, I'll have 6 langoustines, 6 oysters. Then for starter, I'll have my favorite, which is hot shellfish. Absolutely love it. A selection of the freshest shellfish, oysters, langoustines, whelks, crab claw. But I just love all of that garlic and all of the olive oil and the chili as well. I just love it. I absolutely love it. It's such a great dish. Then main course, Dover sole, meunière, and then kick into a tarte tatin. And then cheese course with a glass of red. And that's me done, yeah. Perfect.
Where do you like to dine in London?
Very good question. A lot of different places. I think London's one of, if not the best city to eat in the world. I go to established classic restaurants that I visit time and time again. So Quality Chop House, St John's, Brat, Smoke and Go, all of those I'll revisit and I absolutely love them. I think Quality Chop House is probably way up there. And the Draper's Arms, which is a great pub in Islington, amazing wine list at very, very, very good pricing, and then just a phenomenal menu as well, run by Nick, who's amazing. But those kind of just constantly good restaurants is where I like to visit and eat and have fun.
Lastly, Charlie, what's your top restaurant tip outside of the UK?
Right, yeah, well, I think I must have picked this off Anthony Bourdain, who advises you to go where the chefs go. So ask the chefs in a restaurant where they go and eat and go there. Or go, I love to go to a place that just kind of, if you're in Italy or Greece, that just, it looks like a family run restaurant that is, you know, not in the guidebooks, but you just kind of follow your nose and uncover a gem that way. So those were a few of my thoughts on food. Keep an eye out for more videos from me soon.